Hello and welcome back to the channel in this little short video where we're going to be unboxing our silver play button. It arrived today. All I've done is took off the delivery label from the front because we don't want to show everybody where we live. But yeah, we haven't opened it yet, so we don't even know what's inside. We're going to unbox this now, but before we do, I just want to say a massive thank you to everybody that has subscribed over the past 7 months. If you would have said to me when I uploaded that very first video over there of us travelling to Lowther many moons ago, it's still only got like 200 views, that we would be having a channel with 100,000 subscribers, I would have said you are nuts. Anyway, it's no point dragging this out too much. Let's have a little look what comes in the YouTube box. You excited?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Wonder what's inside.
It's a play button, of course I am.
Let's get inside this box. Are you excited?
Yes.
Oh, we've got an empty box. Surprise! There's nothing inside. No, I'm sure we've got a cover. Oh, underneath we've got a letter from YouTube. A nice little letter from YouTube there. And a letter from the Society Awards who make the awards for YouTube. And then what's behind the letter, I wonder? There it is.
It is.
The silver play button. Let's get it at that plastic, shall we?
Yes.
Got a little thing to keep it safe. And there we go. Obviously it says on it, presented to the Uncharted family for surpassing 100,000 subscribers. Okay then, let's give this letter from YouTube a read. There it is. If you want to click pause and read it yourself, you're more than welcome. It says, do you remember your first subscriber? I absolutely do. It was me on my other channel, my personal channel. Of course I subscribed to myself. Got to get the ball rolling somehow. Your 100th or even your 1000th. Chances are you do, and we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Yes, definitely. Your fans may have found you whilst searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe even showed up on the YouTube recommended video. No matter how they came across your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community that you've built. We are proud to honour your impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Thank you. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait for you to amaze them with even more commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000 subscriber? Absolutely we do. And let's not throw away the gold play button too early, although it'd be greatly appreciated. So yeah, that was us. Little video unboxing the play button from YouTube, and there it is. Once again a massive thank you to each and every one of you who has clicked subscribe over the past 7 months. If you would have told me 7 months ago when I was filming and creating our very first video driving to Lowther in the van that we would be recording a video saying we've got 100,000 subscribers in 7 months time, I would have thought it was crazy. So we really do appreciate every single one of you. And what do you think?
Well, it's absolutely awesome as well as crazy that only in 7 months we could get that many subscribers and the play button.
Yeah, that's crazy. Like I said, that very first video all those months ago, it's still only got like 200 views, a couple of likes. I didn't even speak on the entire thing because speaking in front of the camera just seemed so alien at the time, but now I do it on almost a daily basis. So I'm not going to drag this out any more than we need to. We unbox the play button. Oh, we're sorry, one more thing. Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honoured to take part in recognising your achievements and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. Thanks Rick, really appreciate your assist. If your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact us, and it provides an email for us to contact him. So thank you, Society Awards. The package has arrived in excellent condition as promised. We're not going to drag this out any longer than we need to. We've got it unboxed. There's one last look at the plaque. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already and want to join the Uncharted family, click the subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching. Bye.